Our native birds have lived in our area for hundreds of years. They know where to build nests, where to find food, and how to survive through the seasons. Everything works like a team. Now imagine new birds arriving from another continent, not by accident, but because people brought them. That's how the invasive birds begin. Yes, we are responsible for many of the environmental messes on this planet. In North America, birds like the house sparrow and the European starling were introduced from Europe in the 1800s. According to many studies, invasive birds can compete aggressively for nesting spots and food. Tree holes and nest boxes that native birds depend on suddenly get taken over. When native birds lose those safe spaces, their populations can drop. The invasive species can upset the balance of entire ecosystems. Birds aren't just background noise. They spread seeds, control insect populations, and help plants grow. If invasive birds push out native species, those natural jobs may not happen the same way. Global travel and trade make it easier for species to move into places where they don't naturally belong. Once established, invasive birds often thrive because they have fewer predators in their new environment. By the way, for your information, our contents are sourced from scientific journals and other reliable institutes. There are many such interesting videos on our YouTube channel. Let's go back to our story now. Many researches now show how small changes can ripple through ecosystems. For example, in North America, introduced mute swans eat large amounts of underwater plants, which affects fish and native waterfowl that rely on those plants for food and shelter. Remember, invasive birds aren't bad, they're just in the wrong place. But when they crowd out native birds, compete for resources, and change habitats, the whole ecosystem can feel the impact. And sometimes, even a small bird can make a very big difference. Since you're here, may I also request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications about our new videos? Thank you again.